it's awfully grown in since then. And then back
When's the last time you were on this thing?
Well, it's been a while.
So this is a nice little playground. How much is here?
It's not much.
Still pretty cool.
It goes down and then to the.
You need to test out something that you did. At least you got a place where you could go test it out. Yeah, Jim, so I had a great day yesterday. Now, Dan is accusing me of being under the influence, but let me tell you, I never was. I mean, I was drinking tequila while I did the job, but that was just to calm me down. It was a hard job.
That's Mexican water.
Yeah.
Well, he flashed so fast on the video of like what the bottle was on the fender.
Well,
it's like I couldn't make out what it
the
was.
Stuff so Gary is a big tequila guy.
Oh, well, yeah, I got to.
Well, yeah.
Takes the edge off.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good times. Oh, this is great, man. I assume it just loops into this clearing up here.
Yeah, it goes. I think it actually goes out, but it gets to where there's wet, so you can't really go through.
Yeah, and I would imagine, you know, a nice little road
Yeah,
right down there.
yeah.
I would imagine that things have been so dry here in the central part of the state that you would think everything's just going to be super dry.
Yeah.
Sounds. I think Dwayne's going to buy some of those Hutchinsons.
Those are no
He's looking at
those
like,
are
like
true beadlock,
800-900
both
a
sides.
piece.
Yeah. They're even more than that. I'm telling you, August 1st, everything went up.
Yeah, did you tell
Everything
Jim?
went
Did you
up.
tell
These
Jim
five
about that?
rims that I got went up $200 August 1st.
August 1st.
Yeah. They went from 4 something to 6 something overnight.
On my trail, and if he catches up with me, you know I'll spend my life.
All right, great day today. We're here cruising around out in the woods. Just kind of, Dan's got his new 37-inch Mickey Thompsons. Look at that on those beautiful Method Beadlock. He is happy, man. Look at his stance on this thing. Really nice. So, he's got the 513 gears, and I took it for a drive on the road, and all kinds of power. Really makes a difference.
That's 50.
50, no vibrations.
Recal all your shit for the tires?
I did.
What's going to be really important here, Rick,
What's that?
is my license plate has to be straight.
Yeah, don't get that crooked. I can't stand that. Finally, I just said, "Hey, man, you got to straighten this license." Nice beadlock. You can see that the bolts for the rock ring are probably almost a 1/4 of an inch recessed in. And then we'll just take a look at the valve stem right here. There's no way water can get caught in here and freeze up in the winter time like on my slab. So I think you bought a really nice wheel here.